Hello friend, this is Sanjay Kumar, creator of SelectorsHub. Firstly, request you please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any such conceptual videos. Great, thank you. Few days back, I had this concept test challenge where I asked is this double forward slash a finding all the links in a page? If we try to search in DevTools using command plus F method, which generally like control plus F also, which generally like most of the people in our industry use, and we have considered it as a standard way of verifying and writing the XPath and selectors as well. So there were like different kinds of thought in different groups. So like couple of them are here so some people says that no, because here you are searching double forward slash a in style, which is not XPath, it is string search. No, but this is a correct XPath. Double forward slash a is a correct XPath for to find out all the links in a page. uh, Sadiq said like no, it could be much more under action needed to visible elements. Not exactly. Ninad said you should switch to console, and in the console you should write $x double forward slash a. This will give you the correct number of a HTML elements. That's absolutely correct answer. Yes, if in console we will do this $x double forward slash a, we will get the correct answer. But here the challenge is is it the correct number of links anchor tags in this DOM? If yes, why? If no, why? Because generally people do it right XPath. So I'm trying to help people understand, are they doing it in a right way? Are they verifying and writing XPath in a right way? Then Avik said like no, it is blindly searching a, a string double forward slash a, not a HTML tag. This is the correct, absolutely correct answer. Then Prasant said, no, it will consider as a string, and if any element has double forward slash a anywhere in its property, then it will also show the matching result, which may or may not be linked. Correct. Absolutely correct. Shashank said no, because in the attached image, it is pointing to the script, which I believe is wrong. Ideally, it should give me the count of anchor tags only. Yes, that's a right answer, right understanding. No, actually it consider string also. So like most of the people is saying that string considered DevTools. Let's see what Kapil says. Kapil said yes, the links are there, but not all the links are not used for navigation. This sentence I'm not able to exactly understand. If it shoots here to explain this, that why double forward slash a is finding more here. Uh, and answer is no here, because that's not the correct number of matching nodes. Then Sayed said yes, for the XPath it matches only the selector. No, this is not the right answer. So people have like different thoughts, though it's like very straightforward. Many people, most of the people has given the correct answer that yes, no, it is not the correct count, because it is matching the string as well, string match. And in fact, like if you see clearly here, this double forward slash a is matching with this double forward slash a, which is not an a tag. This should find only those element which has the anchor tag a. Like here, in place of this script, it should be a here. So then only it should show the match. Is then only that will be the XPath match. This is currently string match. So here in DevTools, if you see, so few concepts. The very first straightforward is this, that this is a correct XPath. This is not a wrong XPath. This is a correct XPath double forward slash a, which we have written. So this screenshot is from google.com. So let me open google.com here and show you guys. So if we do forward slash a here, this is finding like it could be 75, 76. um, it depends on like at that moment how many links are there. So here you see that script tag. This is a script tag while we are looking for only anchor tag. So this is double forward slash a is matching here, which is not an XPath match, it's a string match. And if you read here in DevTools, it clearly says that find by string, then selector, then XPath. So it also shows you the string match when you verify your XPath or selector here. And as a result of that, we end up getting the wrong count of XPath or selector match. Here, if you see that when you written double forward slash a, here it is giving 76, which is not the correct XPath match. In many a times in interviews, it is being asked that is it the correct count of anchor text? Are there 76 link in this page? Because we have been always taught and we have always seen that we verify XPath here, and we think that this is the right way and this is giving the right results. It has been there in our like knowledge. So we generally say that yes, but actually the fact is that the answer is no for this. And generally, like many times we feel that we have given the answer correct in an interview, but why we got rejected. So these are the very fundamental concept that we should understand, that this is not the right XPath match count, and in fact it is not the right platform to verify XPath and selectors, because this is based on string match as well. It gives the string result as well, string match result as well. So it is not specifically designed for selectors and XPath to verify XPath and selector. This is a way that where you can verify, you might get the correct count, sometimes you might get the wrong count, but this is not the platform where you will always get the correct count. Even if you will write the correct XPath, let me show you here. For an example, if we write XPath for, let's say, this checkout here, if the same XPath string will match somewhere in the page, then your XPath will uh, it will not show the correct count. Let's say here if we write double forward slash button and this is for checkout. So suppose we write here, let's say uh, or say let's say class is equal to drop down. Here it is showing one or two, but actually like if we verify this XPath here in, let's say, SelectorsHub, this is actually a one matching node. So if you notice here that this one is showing double forward slash button at the rate class drop down, here it is just one element matching. Why here, while here it is showing two matching node? Reason, because this is matching here somewhere text as well. This has the text thing, though this is not an XPath match, this is a div tag, while we are looking here for button tag. So here it is matching for this button class drop down. This is matching, and because of that it is showing two matching node, while we have written the correct XPath which we can directly use in our script. But if we will see one of two, then definitely we will keep trying to make it unique and we might end up wasting a lot of time. So this is not an platform to just verify XPath and cssSelector. It is all, this is also a platform to search for a string. So it's very simple and now straightforward that which is the right platform where to verify right and XPath, that we will have to understand. Because in fact, like if you see that here like if you want to get the exact number of selectors, then you verify exact number of links in a page, then you verify here these are, there are 37 links here. And if you want to verify that 37 links, you can also verify this in console. But yes, in console, just go to console every time, and there you, if you will have to type, it becomes like really tough to type here in console many times XPath, because you will have to like switch back and forth, And then here also, like if you try to verify for iframe and or shadow DOM and or nested shadow DOM, then you will have to have a good knowledge of JavaScript, which not every automation test engineer has. So it's like good to verify, like you can use selectors hub where you can get the correct count of selectors match. If you write css selector, like if we write css selector for anchor tag for all the links, a is the css selector, this is the correct selector for all the links in a page. So here it is giving same number 37, whether you write XPath for all the links or write css selector 37. But here if you write this, then you will get lot many 734. Why? Because it is matching this string as well. A, wherever it will find a, it will show as a matching here. So that's the problem here. And but we never understood that, we never discussed this fact that the way we are verifying XPath here in DevTools by command F, control F, is not the right way. And in fact, like in some cases of shadow DOM also, it used to give the wrong count. Like let's say verify this one here, and this is the right css selector here for this one, and if you verify this here in DevTools, you might get a zero result. You see that it is giving zero result. And in fact in console also, if you go and verify your css selector here, you are getting null value. And like this will give the array, this will give the direct one. So this is not a right way of verifying here your css selector or your XPath css selector here in console as well as here. So this way you get the right result and right selectors match in selectors hub. Though we have always keep saying that we should not use any XPath tool because we will lose skill, but at the same time we should also understand that we what platform should we use to write and verify XPath and selectors where we will get the correct count of match. So I hope now you can understand. Now you would have got this misconception and the fact that what is the right count of selectors, where to verify, where you will get the right count of XPath and selectors. Thank you. And if you like these concepts and such concepts, please share with others and let everyone know about these facts, that what is the right count, how to verify XPath and selectors, and understand the fundamentals of these, and do not be in dilemma or in any kind of confusion that this is because of like e- element is hidden, that's why it's not showing, or some other region that this is not a correct XPath. Understand the fact that this is correct or this is not correct. I hope you like this. With that, thank you so much, and please like and share and let others know about these conceptual facts of about XPath and selectors. Thank you.